Hello, people. I'm about to show you some cool guns with ultimate structure. So, let's see how this works. Look at this. Look at this boom gun. See? Now let's see the other boom gun. Here's another boom cone. See? Look, another boom cone. Let's see how the other ones change. See? You can use your shield. See? Protective. Isn't that awesome? Now let's see how this baby shoots. There's a bacon, I'm faking. You just can't handle it. This is too bacon, too much bacon, too much bacon. That's too much bacon. Well, here's another boom cone. See? Look, this is a cool boom cone. I just changed both of them into a different one, blue and red. It looks cool like this way. See? Now let me show you how the other one looks like. Now here's another boom cone. See? Gray and gray. It's some kind of different. I'm gonna show you how it shoots. Turn the light off. I need it to see. I can't see. Then
After the game,
Now,
you
look.
just take a picture.
No, I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video for a boom cone.
Who you find the bullet?
My mom gave it to me. She found it. This is how this shoots.
That was shooting hard. Whoa! I found more boom cone. Good. That's how I was looking for what I was shooting.
Me and my bullets.
That's all I was looking for.
I'm doing this for a little video for boom cone. See? Look, now look at this. Look at this baby. And it shoots.
Put it on YouTube.
No. I want to put it on YouTube when I have some Wi-Fi. Now this is how this shoots. Pretty impressive, huh? Let's check out the other one. See? Look at this. Dude, did it stick to the
What?
No, man.
Hey, why we can't do it on that?
I'm doing a video.
Yes.
It's dude, this thing just stick on.
Let me
to
see
this.
this one.
No,
You can
no
feel
way.
it.
I'm doing a video for boom cone.
That is a. Wait. You're doing
This
a
is how
video?
this one shoots.
Which one do you
Okay,
like better?
and look what you can do with this boom cone. Look what you
see
can
this
do.
one.
You can do this. See, look. You can put the bullets inside of the handle.
Because you can't see because the light is on.
Yes, I can. And you can put it in the other one. See? That's pretty cool. Well, I'm done now. Well, see you next time.
Buko.
And I'm gonna show you some other guns. I'm gonna show you some other guns on my next video. So, Bye bye.